Freespire Linux has been around for many years, but it often flies under the radar compared to popular distributions like Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Fedora, and Debian. Yet with its latest release, Freespire continues to offer a unique approach to desktop Linux by combining a familiar user experience with carefully selected software and a polished KDE Plasma desktop. In today's video, we're taking a first look at Freespire Linux to see what it offers, who it's designed for, and whether it's worth trying in 2026. If you're looking for an easy-to-use Linux distribution that focuses on simplicity while still providing a modern desktop environment, then this might be one of the most interesting projects you've never heard about. Freespire is developed by PC Open Systems LLC and is closely related to Linspire, a commercial Linux distribution that targets businesses and enterprise users. Freespire serves as the free community edition, giving users access to many of the same technologies without requiring a subscription. It is based on Ubuntu's long-term support foundation, which means it inherits excellent hardware compatibility, a huge software repository, and long-term stability. That immediately makes it attractive for users migrating from Windows because they get a reliable base backed by one of the largest Linux ecosystems available today. Unlike many experimental distributions, Freespire focuses on providing a dependable desktop experience that simply works. The installation process is straightforward and beginner-friendly. After booting from the installation media, users are greeted with a clean graphical installer that guides them through language selection, keyboard layout, partitioning, user account creation, and installation settings. Even users who have never installed Linux before should find the process relatively simple. The installer finishes quickly on modern hardware, and after a reboot, you're welcomed by a polished KDE Plasma desktop that feels both familiar and modern. The login process is smooth, startup times are fast, and the overall experience gives a strong first impression. One of the biggest highlights of Freespire is the KDE Plasma desktop environment. KDE has evolved dramatically over the past few years and is now considered one of the most customizable and feature-rich desktop environments available on Linux. Freespire takes advantage of that by presenting a clean default layout with a bottom taskbar, application launcher, system tray, and desktop icons that immediately remind many users of Windows. This familiarity reduces the learning curve while still exposing users to the flexibility that Linux offers. Animations are smooth, window management feels responsive, and navigating between applications is effortless even on modest hardware. Performance is another area where Freespire performs surprisingly well. KDE Plasma has become significantly lighter over recent releases, consuming fewer system resources than many people expect. On a fresh boot, memory usage remains relatively low, leaving plenty of available RAM for everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, programming, multimedia playback, and video conferencing. CPU utilization stays minimal during normal desktop operation, making Freespire suitable not only for modern computers but also for older systems that may struggle with heavier operating systems. Users upgrading aging Windows PCs could experience a noticeable improvement in responsiveness. Software availability is another strong point. Since Freespire is based on Ubuntu, users gain access to thousands of applications through Ubuntu's repositories. Whether you need LibreOffice for productivity, Firefox for web browsing, VLC for multimedia, GIMP for image editing, or development tools such as Visual Studio Code and programming languages, installation is quick and straightforward. Additional software can also be installed using package management tools, giving users enormous flexibility without complicated configuration. For many users, everything needed for daily computing is only a few clicks away. One design philosophy that makes Freespire somewhat different from some other Linux distributions is its approach to software licensing. Freespire emphasizes open-source software while giving users the freedom to install proprietary applications and codecs if they choose. This balanced approach respects open-source principles while acknowledging that many users still depend on commercial software, proprietary drivers, streaming services, and multimedia codecs. Instead of forcing one philosophy, Freespire allows users to decide what best fits their own needs, making the transition from Windows much easier for newcomers. Hardware compatibility is generally excellent thanks to Ubuntu's mature hardware support. During testing, common devices including Wi-Fi adapters, Bluetooth, audio hardware, webcams, printers, and USB peripherals are usually detected automatically. Graphics drivers for both AMD and Intel hardware work out of the box, while NVIDIA users can install proprietary drivers for improved gaming and professional graphics performance. Laptop users also benefit from reliable battery management, suspend and resume functionality, and power-saving features that continue improving with each Ubuntu release. When it comes to customization, KDE Plasma remains one of the most powerful desktop environments available. Users can change themes, icons, window decorations, fonts, widgets, desktop effects, panels, and application launchers without installing third-party utilities. Virtual desktops, advanced window rules, keyboard shortcuts, and workflow automation allow experienced users to tailor the desktop exactly how they want it. Meanwhile, beginners can ignore these advanced settings entirely and simply enjoy a clean, stable desktop that works immediately after installation. This combination of simplicity and flexibility is one of KDE's greatest strengths. Security is another important consideration. Because Freespire inherits Ubuntu's security updates and package management infrastructure, users receive regular software patches that help keep the system protected. Linux itself already benefits from a strong security model that separates user permissions from administrative privileges, reducing the likelihood of malware infections compared to many traditional desktop operating systems. While no operating system is completely immune from security threats, Freespire provides a solid foundation for safe everyday computing, as long as users continue installing updates and practicing good online habits. For developers and technical users, Freespire provides an excellent environment for software development. Popular programming languages, compilers, Docker containers, Git repositories, Python, Java, Node.js, and countless development tools are readily available. Terminal enthusiasts will appreciate the powerful Linux command line, while graphical software centers simplify package installation for users who prefer not to use terminal commands. This makes Freespire equally comfortable for software engineers, students learning Linux, and professionals who require a productive workstation. Gaming on Linux has improved dramatically in recent years, and Freespire benefits from all those advancements. Steam installs easily, Proton allows many Windows games to run with excellent compatibility, and graphics driver support continues improving across the Linux ecosystem. While hardcore gamers may still choose specialized gaming distributions, Freespire provides everything necessary to enjoy a growing Linux gaming library. Combined with modern graphics drivers and Proton compatibility, users can play many popular titles without needing Windows for every game. No Linux distribution is perfect, and Freespire has a few limitations. Because it isn't as widely used as Ubuntu, Fedora, or Linux Mint, its community is naturally smaller. That means fewer dedicated tutorials specifically targeting Freespire itself. However, thanks to its Ubuntu Foundation, most Ubuntu documentation, troubleshooting guides, forums, and community resources apply directly, making it relatively easy to solve problems if they arise. Another consideration is that users expecting numerous custom features may find Freespire intentionally conservative, focusing on stability instead of constantly introducing experimental technologies. Overall, Freespire Linux delivers exactly what it promises: a polished, stable, beginner-friendly Linux distribution built upon a proven Ubuntu foundation while showcasing the flexibility and elegance of KDE Plasma. It provides excellent performance, strong hardware compatibility, extensive software availability, reliable security updates, and enough customization to satisfy both newcomers and experienced Linux enthusiasts. Whether you're replacing Windows on an older PC, exploring Linux for the first time, or simply searching for another high-quality KDE-based distribution, Freespire deserves far more attention than it typically receives. It may not generate the same headlines as larger Linux projects, but its combination of reliability, familiarity, and flexibility makes it an excellent choice for everyday desktop computing. If you've never tried Freespire before, this could be the perfect opportunity to experience a mature Linux distribution that quietly delivers an impressive desktop experience without unnecessary complexity.